Right, if you're now ready to start lifting with the machine, we've got the machine suspended from the crane, fully assembled as discussed. So the first thing to do is to switch the machine on. When I switch this on, the machine will make a noise for a few seconds and I'll explain what that does. Okay, so when I switch the machine on, you could hear the vacuum pumps running, and you could hear the warning buzzer as well. By the way, once you switch this machine on, leave it on, don't switch it off until you've finished the whole shift. Okay, so leave it on until the end of the working shift, then you can switch it off and put the machine on charge. So when the pump was running, it's been emptying these vacuum tanks, so it's now built up a vacuum inside the machine. And the other thing you heard was the warning signal saying it's not safe to lift. The red light was on. Now that's the green light's come on there, and we're now in a safe position to start using the machine. As you're using the machine, it can happen at any point where you've got a panel suspended. You may hear the vacuum pump come on. That's doing its job. All it's doing is topping up the vacuum levels. So don't panic if you hear the vacuum pump running. If the red light comes on, or you hear the warning sound during the lift, you must put the pan down as quickly as possible. So now, just a quick word about the position of the panel, the position of the machine on the panel rather. Your panel is around 12 meters long. You need to position the machine roughly a third to a quarter of the way down from the top of the panel. So your machine is going to be around about 3 to 4 meters down from the top of the panel, which will put the tip of the suction pads within about a meter or half a meter of the top of the panel. That's important so you can get the panel balanced when it's lifted. We're now going to lower the machine onto the panel. So make sure all the weight of the machine's bearing down onto the panel. That ensures that the suction pads are in close contact with the metal surface. By the way, any plastic films on the panel need to be removed, particularly where the suction pads locate. You can't lift on the plastic film.